Today, I'm going to tell you how to make a beef pate.
Asking people, do you have snacks? Like you're a little bum and you've never eaten a day in your life. Like we don't have food at home and you pour it. Don't do that crap ever again.
And put it on 2 minutes.
You really went in there acting like you had never ate a day in your life. Stop that garbage. Elisha, don't make me slap you. What are you talking about?
And put it on 2 minutes.
You just left the house that you was in all day to have all this food and you talking about some. Do you have food?
No. So while it's cooking, 1 minute 41 seconds by the way, we're gonna tell you how about a time. It was a time. And just like one time that me and Gramps, we built his house. And he was like, bro, I'm hungry. And I'm like, bro, you're not queso. Anyway, he was like, bro, yes, I am queso. And I'm like, bro, you're not Charles right now. He was like, yes, I am Charles right now. Except I don't like steak. So I said, okay, here's your steak and your chicken nuggets, Charles. And he was like, you monster. And I was like, okie dokie. And I just went away to Billy's house. Now after his house was done, he brought a couch, which he sits on 24/7 and watches the Minecraft movie. Anyway, so after that, we went someplace. We went to like, I don't know, I forgot. Oh, we went to Six Flags. White Waters. And we went to a 3-foot pool, which Gramps drowned in. Oh wait, he can't drown, he's a Lego. Which I didn't drown in, because I'm 4 feet. Yar. Anyways, now look at the time. I'm finished on my stories. And only 16 seconds left. And it's 6:30. So, let's go. I gotta take it out. We'll be right back. Yes, I'm still short even though I'm 4 feet. It's more than 4 feet, man. Don't judge me. Anyway, now that our burger's done, or patty's done. Speaking of patty, why do they call it patty if there's no burger bun? Whatever. Let's take it out. Close the microwave. And let's head to the table. With our delicious portion. Hunger? I don't know. Okay. Now we have a patty, which is right here. Here, this is open. More doodle. I'm gonna put it in there for a good 30 seconds. Anyway, while it's there for 30 seconds, let's tell a little story. Or check out my dance moves. Anyway, so I have a new chicken nugget song. It's called the Chicken Nugget Beat. Check it out. Now there's no more cold spots. Excuse me. Let's dig in. That was a spicy one though. Oh, he had the spicy one. No, I have the mild one. The only one I saw. Okay, guys, now we can eat like civilized people. Showing off my cool skills. The mild one. Cause I don't see the spicy one. I don't know. anyway, that's not for today.